Do you struggle with dry, cracked feet? Imagine slipping into your favorite shoes with soft, smooth heels. If you're tired of rough, painful cracks on your feet, stay with us. Today, we're diving into easy and effective remedies to heal those cracks fast. Understanding the cause cracked heels happen for a few reasons. Often, it's from standing too long, dry weather, or even shoes without enough support. When the skin on your feet dries out, it becomes hard and cracks easily. But with some extra care, you can fix this. Two, moisturize daily first things first. Keep your feet moisturized. Use a thick foot cream or natural oils like coconut oil. These lock in moisture and soften the skin. Try applying it right after a shower when your skin is still slightly damp. This helps the moisturizer work better. 3. Soak and scrub next. Try a simple foot soak. Warm water mixed with a bit of Epsom salt can do wonders. Soak your feet for about 10-15 minutes to soften the skin. After soaking, gently scrub with a pumice stone or foot scrubber to remove dead skin. Don't go too hard, just a gentle scrub. 4. Home remedies for extra care. There are also some effective home remedies. Honey is a natural healer. Try mixing a spoonful with warm water and soaking your feet. Or apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel before bed. These natural options can help heal cracks and make your feet feel refreshed. 5. Wear the right shoes. Choosing the right shoes matters too. Avoid open-back shoes like flip-flops that don't support your heels. Instead, wear shoes that cushion your feet and protect them from rough surfaces. This little change can make a big difference. 6. Keep feet covered at night. Lastly, for an added boost, put on some soft cotton socks after moisturizing at night. This traps moisture and lets the cream or oil work while you sleep. You'll wake up with softer feet, ready to show off those heels. Try these tips and watch those cracks heal fast. Give your feet some love, and in no time, you'll have soft, smooth skin you'll be proud of. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple health and wellness tips. Let us know in the comments which remedy worked best for you.